In this video, I'll be talking about employment-based immigration, third category, EB3, mastering the art of bringing your family member to the U.S. based on employment. My name is Bijoux Ngwanda. I'm an immigration lawyer based here in DC. I do work with individuals across the country and around the world because we're dealing with complex U.S. immigration laws. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you enjoy the content, again, you go ahead and share, like. Don't forget to comment below. Also, please do not forget to join us on our private Facebook group where we answer questions live at least twice a month. Let's get right into it. So we are talking about EB3, right? Since we have been doing employment-based series, and today's video we are going to be talking about EB3, and most importantly, we want to emphasize on the fact that you can bring your family member, provided that you qualify, okay, for work, right, to help you out, especially like housemaid type of jobs, or really to help you take care of elderly parents, stuff like that. So, but let's just go ahead and talk about EB3 in general, right? What type of people? We have skilled workers. That's the first type, individual category of people who can apply under EB3 or skilled workers, okay? Those are the person whose jobs require a minimum of 2 years of training or experience. It cannot be temporary. It has to be like a job that they're gonna be doing permanently, okay? Then we have professionals, okay? A person whose job requires at least a U.S. Bachelor degree or a foreign equivalent degree, and a member of the professions. It works better with nurses when it comes to nurses outside of the country, and they want to come here to work as healthcare workers, right? They have a bachelor degree or an equivalent if you're foreign, and then you're a member of the profession, like you're part of the medical profession, or you're part of, let's say you're a professor or teacher. It can work too as EB3. And then we have unskilled workers. Those are the people like you just want to bring your family member in terms of helping you out at home, or helping you with elderly parents, or let's say you have a home care, you take care of people with disability or just elderly. And they don't have, like, they're not supposed to have like a bachelor degree or 2 years of training, but they're just unskilled workers, but they can be trained and do those type of jobs, right? You can bring them too. So what is required? It requires a full-time job and a labor certification. Full-time job, labor certification. And we've talked about it before in terms of what are you going to show. The employer has to be able to show the ability to pay, the specific type of job offer, the ability to pay, prevailing wages. When it comes to labor certification, the employer has to be able to show that, as a matter of fact, they can actually pay this person, okay? They can pay, and there are not enough workers in the U.S. That's why they want to get somebody from outside of the country. So that's how you convince the Department of Labor to certify that labor certification. So pretty much to get it approved. That's what it is. What is the application process? The application process, really, first of all, you file a labor certification. When it gets approved, then it's the form ETA 9089. Once it get approved, then you file the form I-140, immigrant petition for alien workers, because remember we're talking about green card based on employment. Okay, and then we have really pretty much when it get approved, then NVC send it to USCIS send it to NVC if the person is outside of the country. If the person is here, you adjust status with USCIS. But remember, if the person is here, adjustment of status, the person has to be within a lawful status. If you're not within a lawful status when it comes to employment, you cannot adjust status unless 245I applies, or you can get a waiver to get out and do consular processing. So we've talked about it before. But what I really wanted to make sure that you understand that, of course, you can bring somebody to help you out, provided that you can show the ability to pay that person. If you are within a status, of course, and you want help, maybe for your parents, or you want help maybe at home with your children, you can bring an unskilled worker. Okay, sponsor them for a green card. Provided that you can show the ability to pay them a specific type of job, not enough U.S. workers, okay? So that you can get your labor certification approved. That's it. So this EB3 category is really good because at least it covers 3 types of people: skilled workers, professionals, and unskilled workers. So anybody can find themselves eligible because it's pretty much accessible. That's what I can see. And especially now that employment-based, a lot of green cards are available. So we are really encouraging people, if they want to apply, they can go ahead and apply. And if you have a I-140 approved, your spouse and unmarried children under the age of 21 may be eligible to apply for admission to the United States in E34 category. You see, that's really good. So this is good because once they sponsor you, you can sponsor you, like your wife can come with you, your children unmarried under the age of 21 can come with you as well, and pretty much they are going to have the work permit as well, which is good to support the entire family. EB3 is the way to go, to be honest with you, based on the fact that it's most likely to get approved if the eligibility requirements are met. If you need a consultation, again, 202-751-2180. You can email Bijoux.Ngwanda, esq@gmail.com. Consultation fees apply as usual. Or you can just schedule your own consultation on your own time by clicking the link in the description box below. Until next time, just watch this until the end, then the next one will be about EB4, okay? Thank you very much.